TK, and welcome to English class. Today we are going to continue talking about syllables. And yesterday you should have watched a really funny video all about syllables. Now, if you remember, the little red character in the syllables video was telling us, first he was talking to us about a bunch of different words, right? And he said that every word can be broken up into different parts, okay? And when we break a word up into all these different parts, we call those parts syllables, okay? So we're just gonna go over the definition together. Syllables are the broken up parts of a word. We're just gonna go ahead and just describe it like that. A syllable is one of the broken parts of a word, okay? So when we have a word, we can break those words up into pieces and we determine how many syllables we have in that one word. So, in case you haven't made the connection, in Spanish class for the last few weeks, we have been learning all about sílabas, right? And sílabas is, guess what? Syllables. You have been learning all kinds of syllables in Spanish the last few weeks. We've been learning all of the sílabas con M, which is like mame, mi, momu. Those are all parts of a word, and those are what we call syllables. So, how many of you can tell me, how many syllables can a word have? What did the video yesterday say? He said words can have so many parts. Does anybody remember? Okay, well, words can be broken up into almost 4 different parts. So we can have syllables with 1, 2, 3, or 4 different parts. And so today we're going to be looking at some words and we're going to be using a clapping method to determine how many syllables are in the word when we break it up. Okay, so much like he was doing in the video yesterday, they were using a drum to determine a beat to break up the amount of syllables in a word. Well, we are going to be using today a clapping method. Since we all don't have a drum, we're all going to be clapping to figure out how many syllables are in these pictures and in the word that we see. Okay, so first we're going to start by looking at our umbrella. Let's say the word umbrella. Say it with me. Umbrella. How many syllables do we hear? How many times are we breaking up the word? Umbrella. It sounds like 3 to me. Umbrella. One more time. Umbrella. I hear 3 syllables in the word umbrella. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and circle the number 3. Umbrella. I hear 3 broken parts in that word. Okay, let's continue. Let's do the next one. Let's say the word sun. Say it with me. Sun. Good. Now let's try to clap out. Let's try to break that word up with claps. Sun. Let's try that again. Sun. How many syllables do you think the word sun is? Can we break it up? I don't think so. Sun is a really short word and it's only 1 syllable. Sun. So we are going to go ahead and circle the number 1. It's a really short word. It's not a long word like umbrella where we can hear multiple syllables. Okay, good job. Let's look at the word duckling. I'm going to say the word duckling. Now let's clap it. Duckling. Let's try again. Duckling. How many times did we clap? Duckling. Good. I heard 2 syllables. Duckling. Good. So I know that the word duckling has 2 syllables. We can break the word up into 2 parts. Very good. Let's try these three. Up here we have the word rain. Rain. One more time. Rain. Say it with me. Rain. This one's tricky. Some of you might be thinking that it's rain, but rain is actually only one syllable. Rain, right? So we're going to stick to the number 1 because I only hear one syllable in that word. This is also just one, and here we have duck, and then we have lean. Good. Let's go to rainbow. Wow. So we know that rain is one syllable all by itself, and the word rain is actually in rainbow too. But the word doesn't end there. Let's say the word together. Rainbow. Now let's clap it. Rainbow. Good. One more time. Rainbow. How many syllables are we hearing? 1, 2, or 3? Rainbow. I hear rainbow. I hear 2. I'm going to go ahead and circle the number 2. Very good. How about the last one? This is a picture of spring. 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 I only hear one syllable in this word, so I'm going to go ahead and circle the number 1. Should we try another example? Okay, let's keep going. All right. Now, we're looking at a really spring-like page. This page has lots of pictures that remind me of Easter or of spring. So let's break down these syllables and see what we can determine. The first picture is of a bunny. Let's say it together. Bunny. Let's clap it. Bunny. How many syllables do you hear? 1, 2, or 3? Bunny. I think I'm hearing 2. Bunny. Good. I'm going to go ahead and circle that number 2 because I think we all agree that bunny has 2 syllables. How about the word chick? Chick. I think it only has 1. Good. Let's move on. The next one is flower. Flower. Let's try that again. Flower. Good. I think it has 2 syllables. Flower. Very good. Let's do 3 more examples. The next word is tulip. Let's say it again. Tulip. Tulip. Let's clap it together. Tulip. How many are we hearing? Tulip. I hear 2 syllables again. Let's go ahead and circle. Very good. How about the next one? Cupcake. Let's say it together and clap with me. Cupcake. Cupcake. How many do you hear? I hear 2 again. Very good. The next one is egg. One more time. Egg. Can we split up the word egg into multiple broken parts? No. I think I just hear 1 syllable in this word. Very good. Okay, TK, so today you're going to be putting your syllable knowledge to practice, and you're going to have a sheet in your packet that you are going to be looking at and listening to the words. Break them up. Use your clapping strategy and try to determine how many syllables are in each word of the pictures that you see. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message and let me know if you are having trouble understanding syllables. But I think it's pretty fun to be able to clap through each word and to find out how many syllables does each word have. I will see you guys next time. Bye.